Hello all you beautiful people, what's going on? I hope that you are rocking and rolling. I hope that you are smiling and styling, and I hope that wherever you are ready to have a lot of fun. My name is Jay Solfin and I am your host for the very first Made With McCain virtual masterclass. Welcome, the one and only, the queen, the king of the kitchen, Zanele.
I'm super. I'm very excited to be here talking about the personalized cookbook from McCain. It is the best thing ever. You get to create your own recipes, your very own home recipes.
And last but not least, social media is where it's at. That's where we need you guys to let everybody else know about this amazing vibe that you're experiencing right now, the masterclass and the ability to create your own cookbook